So I'll be showing you how to adjust volume on your Bose Ultra Open Earbuds without touching your phone. Now, obviously, everybody knows you can increase and reduce volume on the phone. So using the buttons on the phone, or depending on whatever app you have, you can adjust the volume right on the phone. But if you want to adjust your volume without touching the phone, maybe it's in your pocket, what you want to do is, assuming the earbuds are in your ears, the left-hand side earbud is for reducing volume, and the right side earbud is for increasing volume. And so what you need to do is press and then quickly press and hold to do whatever you need to do. So for the left one, if you press and then press and hold, that's going to reduce the volume. And then for the right one, you press and then press and hold quickly, that's going to increase volume. So let's have a look. Here's a volume meter. Let's have a look. So currently music is playing. So press and hold. That should reduce volume. So let's try again. It has to be very quick, like that. And you can see the volume is reducing. And until the point I want it to stop reducing, then I'll let go. And for increasing volume, it's the same process. Like that. Okay, so it's a very quick press and hold. All right, so let's do it again. Let's increase the volume a bit more, and you can see that increases the volume. Let's reduce again. That reduces the volume. So that is basically how to adjust volume on the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.